Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I have another Woody Woodpecker reaction. This one is going to be Panhandle Scandal from 1959. So, yeah, let's get into it.
Guess who?
It's Woody. Woody. Okay. Alright, well, there's a pan there, so that panhandle. Okay. Rigor Mortis, Texas. Oh wow, you don't want to be anywhere near there. No bandits allowed. Signed, Woody Woodpecker. All right, hey, that's a warning right there. It's like, so if you enter, like that's your fault. I mean, there was a warning there by Woody. Okay, we'll see what happens. There you go. He saw it. He saw it. He took it off.
Bandits allowed. Signed, Marshal Woody Woodpecker.
There you go.
That's a laugh.
We'll see. Oh wow, he just tore that like nothing.
With your red hair?
Yeah.
Yes.
Big nose?
Yeah.
Yes.
And they go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly.
One big TV star?
He is. Yes.
I don't know him, senor.
What? How did you describe him? I don't know. How do you not know him? You just described him. He's like, oh yeah, the one that they call Woody Woodpecker. No, I don't know him. Oh man. Okay. Oh, he's in the saloon. Okay.
Make mine a horse's neck.
A horse's neck. Oh, come on! Poor horse.
Yeah, too good to drink with the horses, eh?
Right, poor horse, man. Oh, come on! You didn't deserve that.
Oh, I hate him.
Yeah. I don't blame you. Like, yes, I mean, yeah, I don't blame you. Like, it's like he treats the horse so bad, man. Poor horse. He doesn't deserve that.
Okay, gents, let's put a little life in the party. Start.
Oh, he's gonna dance, all right. They're dancing, all right. Oh no, his sombrero fell down. Wow, it's red hot, man.
Warm things up a bit.
Oh yeah, it warmed things up, all right. That's gonna warm you up. There you go. Oh, that's pretty disgusting. Isn't that where people spit in, right? I think that's what that is, right?
Here comes the marshal.
There's Woody. Oh wow, what? That's not Woody.
Bring on your marshal.
Okay.
Him in two.
Okay, why are the legs so long? That's good. That's a chicken.
I'm giving you 5 seconds to come out of there, Paul.
Wow.
I'm coming in and shooting.
Woody, man. Wow. I was wondering, why are the legs so long? Woody, man. Hey, he knows what he's doing though, cause it's like the guy, he got so scared, man. He turned into a chicken.
Don't shoot, Marshal. I'll give up.
Okay, there you go. Uh-oh. There he is.
You ornery little horn toad. I'm giving you till sundown to get out of town.
Oh no, he's not gonna get out of town. Oh wow.
Time's up.
Wow, I wasn't expecting that. I'll give you the sun down, and he shoots the sun. And yeah, that's, it's the sun down. The sun is down. It's like time's up. Wow. Oh man. Oh no, Woody. Oh no. The water's coming out of his head. Oh man, we'll see who gets the last laugh though. We'll see who gets the last laugh. Oh, there you go. Like, you don't mess with Woody Woodpecker. Oh, wow.
He struck me when I wasn't looking, senor.
Oh, what? Ah! Oh, wow, that must hurt. That's on his skin, isn't it?
Get a showdown, punk.
Okay, let's get a showdown.
Ready?
Alright, let's do it. Alright, Woody. Oh, no! Oh, wow. How was it that long? What? What?
Oh,
Woody?
come on, do it right.
No. You started it like you were cheating. You were cheating there. That was a long pistol, man. Wow. And then how did beer come out of that? Okay. Oh, wow. Oh. That's what you get.
Who brought that?
Oh, hey, that's so you did that to yourself.
Which
All right.
way did that woodpecker go?
You mean the one with the red hair?
Yeah,
The
Yes.
big nose?
Yes.
yeah.
And they go,
Yeah, that's the one.
That's the one.
I don't know him,
I
senor.
don't know.
Very funny.
It is very funny. Come on, leave him alone. That's hilarious. He keeps on describing Woody. No, I don't know him. Oh, you know him. So you know him. You just don't wanna. You don't wanna tell him where he is. So I respect you for that. Oh, come on. Oh no, Woody! Run! Ah, okay.
Follow that horse.
The horse doesn't like him at all. What horse?
Yeah, stupid.
Oh, come on. There you go. That's what you get. Oh no, he's right behind him. Oh!
Siesta time.
Siesta time! The cat! Oh, he's like, oh, is it that time already? Siesta time. Man, that guy is hilarious, man. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, he took a siesta, all right. Oh, man. Oh, is it siesta time again? Whatever, it's siesta time still. The cat. Again, right. The cat is like, again? We just went through this. Oh, there you go. Oh, bye-bye. That guy is everywhere. Oh, no. Get out of the way. I want the small guy to get out of the way. Okay. There you go. Okay. There you go. That's what you get.
Happened to that woodpecker?
You mean the one with the red hair?
Yeah.
Oh,
And the big nose?
it was
And
Woody.
they go,
It was
I
him.
know him, senor.
Oh, I don't know. Wow, like, yeah, you don't know him. Oh, wow. So that's crazy. That was Woody the whole time. Wow. I don't know him, senor. Oh, that was awesome. I love that. Oh, man, that was great. That was Woody the whole time. Wow. But yeah, no complaints at all with this one. This one was great. So funny. No complaints at all. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.